like I'm floating.
Today we are going to review Gradient Network. It is a Chrome extension which will give you crypto points to stay connected to internet on your PC or desktop. Click from the link given in description. Then the code is automatically applied. Referral code is automatically applied. Click on join. Then click on sign up with Google. I already signed in up. You will find this type of interface. After signing up, you will need to firstly complete these 3 steps. Click to join. Firstly, you have to complete your sign up. Then secondly, you will need to connect your X or Twitter account and follow them. Then you will need to add this extension to your Chrome. Whenever you are connected with internet, you will start receiving points. Like I received 2.04 points today. You can apply my referral code from here. If it is not automatically applied, you can see your current status level. I am on bronze. I just started yesterday. You need to complete task to level up your EXP points. I will be on bronze after getting 5000 more EXP points. You will need to connect your X or Twitter account and your Discord account. Here is states of rewards. Here is uptime. You are stay connected to internet. There is a giveaway of 1000 rupees is going on my channel. Participate in this giveaway by filling Google form from description link. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.